English conversation. Introduce yourself in English. In this video, you will listen English conversation between two people, and second step, you will be speaking. Listen carefully. Hello.
Hi,
What is your name?
my name is Emily.
My name is Jack. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Where are you from?
I am from London. Where are you from?
I am from Australia.
How old are you?
I am 25. How old are you?
I am 26.
Where do you live?
I live in London. Where do you live?
I live in Australia, but currently I am living in California.
What do you do? Are you a student?
No, I am a teacher. What do you do?
I work at bank.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I am reading books and watching movies.
What kind of movies do you like?
I like thriller movies. What are your hobbies?
I like hang out with friends.
Now it's your turn to speak. English speaking practice. I will speak first person dialogues, and you will be speaking second person's dialogues. Let's get started. Speak carefully. Hello. What is your name? My name is Jack. Nice to meet you. I am from London. Where are you from? How old are you? I am 26. I live in London. Where do you live? What do you do? Are you a student? I work at bank. I am reading books and watching movies. I like thriller movies. What are your hobbies?